Hello and welcome everyone to BotSplash TV. I'm Willem Osich, and today we'll be looking at the ability to understand the current state of the market in order to translate client requests into technical solutions that will benefit the client the most. Markets can be rough and exert a lot of pressure on both consumers and enterprises. As enterprises grapple with customer retention and revenue growth, new strategies are constantly being developed to stay ahead of the game. Partners and vendors that provide their services to these enterprises must also be able to help out with these strategies, and that is best done by having client success and implementation teams not only help out enterprises technically, but also strategically. Here at BotSplash, our client success and implementation teams are knowledgeable of the current market factors and conditions that directly affect our clients. This allows for a trustworthy working relationship to be formed and establish synergy, ultimately allowing our team to understand our clients' needs. If you are a BotSplash user and you have had any experiences with our team and how we may have helped out your team with your needs, please let us know in the comments below. I'm Willem Osich. Thank you all for watching BotSplash TV.